What's in your Santa sack, Reese? Hey, wait, come here. Look, look, look. What's in your Santa sack? Come here. There's gifts.
What did you get?
What'd you get?
What did you get, Reese?
Sit down. Look at what'd you get. Open your present.
Santa gave you a present?
Look at Tilly wants to open your present. Do you want to open it?
Okay.
And he put a nice bow on it as well. Should we undo the bow?
Open it, Ruth.
Bow? Pull the bow. Oh, good boy. Do you want to open it? Look, there's a hole there, won't you? Open it. Can you pull it? Pull it down. That's it, pull it down.
Look at Tilly's gonna come help you. Good girl, Till. Good girl. Oh, what'd you get?
Okay. Alright, yep. Bless you.
Wow, what is it? Wow, what'd you get, Reese? Are you happy? Let me see.
You got your truck.
See what
Santa got you a truck.
Reese. You got the truck you wanted.
Wow, lucky boy. Wow.
You want Daddy to open it?
Is that good?
Reese, smile for Mommy. Can you say Happy Christmas to all the grandparents and all the family?
Happy Christmas.
Reese, look at Mama and say Happy Christmas. Reese. Happy Christmas. Say Happy Christmas. Good job. Hi, Nana. Hi, Granddad. Hi, Granddad. Say hi, aunts and uncles. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. See, look at, you're just trying to, oh, okay. Say Merry Christmas.